Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a question many creators face: how to change your YouTube channel name. Whether you are rebranding, want a more professional touch, or just decided your old name wasn't quite right, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Things to consider before we begin. There are a few things to keep in mind before diving in. Number first, you can only change your channel name 3 times within a 90-day period. Choose wisely. Number second, if your channel is verified, you'll unfortunately lose that verification badge after changing the name. You can reapply once the channel is settled under the new name. Number third, changing your channel name might also affect your custom URL if you have one. We'll cover how to update that later in the video. Now let's start. First on desktop, then on mobile. So definitely watch the full video. First of all, head over to YouTube and sign into your account. Now, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your channel from the menu. Now, click on YouTube Studio, just below your channel name. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Customization. Under Customization, you'll see several options. Click on Basic Info. Here, you'll find your current channel name displayed prominently. Click the edit icon next to it, which looks like a little pencil. Now's your moment. Enter your desired new channel name in the text box. Remember, choose something catchy, memorable, and reflects your content. Once you are happy with the new name, hit the big blue Publish button in the top right corner. YouTube will process the change, and voila! Your channel will now sport its new name. Now let's know the process of changing channel name from mobile. First of all, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture in the below right corner. From the menu that pops up, select your channel. On the edit screen, tap on the pencil icon next to your current channel name. Enter your new, awesome channel name and tap Save the changes. Let's update the custom URL now. First of all, for this in YouTube Studio, under Customization, you'll see an option for Channel URL. Click on the edit icon next to the current URL. YouTube will check if the URL matching your new channel name is available. If it is, you can claim it right there. If not, you'll have the option to create a new URL based on your channel name. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your YouTube channel name. Now get out there and create fantastic content under your shiny new name. A bonus tip for you. Consider letting your viewers know about the name change in your next video or a community post. This helps avoid any confusion and keeps your audience engaged. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more YouTube channel management tips. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.